another car video, and I can't believe we're doing it, but we're doing it. We're doing a car video, and it is sunny as fuck out here. All right, so the video that we're doing today is gonna be, well, it's not just today, but it's gonna be about all the other days. All right, it's finally officially the mods on the Nissan Altima. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera around, and we're gonna talk about the car. But before I do, guys, the reason why I haven't done any videos about the car is because 2020 was crazy, right? Coronavirus and all that crap, and it's 2021. Oh, happy 2021 besides that. All right, and the car is right here. There it is. All right, we're gonna talk about all the outside mods first, and then we're gonna go inside. All right, so you might see me wearing this shirt probably in the next 3 or 4 or 5 videos, episodes, whatever. But enough of me talking. Hope you guys ready. I'm gonna turn around and let's go. Whoop. All right, so this is the car, 2010 Nissan Altima. I know that part. I know. All right, so we're just gonna go around it real quick, and then this and that will just be the intro to like just these first few 4 videos or 5 videos, however much I do. Now, we're not gonna talk about anything that's missing. All right, we're not gonna talk about anything else. But as of right now, you guys know how the car is. I know. All right, look. I'm just look. I know. We're just, man. Let's just roll the video. Let's. Hope you guys like that. Guys, welcome back. Welcome to part 2, mod list number 2. All right, and this will be HID headlights for the car and fog lights in the wrap. All right, now let me just go ahead and let me turn it on, and I'll show you guys what I mean. All right, so let's go ahead and walk to the car, do a little beep beep. Don't mind inside of the car. It's dirty. Those are not what you think they are, but it's dirty. All right, let's just all right, the lights are on. Let's take a peek at what I got going on. So you guys can see it's powering up. It's not green. All right, it's blue. But this down here, my fog lights, first thing I did, right, this car did not come with fog lights. These are aftermarket OEM fog lights that I had to buy off of eBay for 30 bucks. All right, I will put everything I list in the description, and I'll put a picture up just so you guys can see. Yeah, I know it's kind of tough because my mom's car is like parked right here, but this is it. Green and blue. This is pretty dope. I actually like this. This is a nice shot. I might use this as the title, as the picture. All right, so what did I do? Step number one, I bought the HIDs off of eBay. All right, these are 8Ks. I bought them for literally just 20 bucks. I think so I had this car since 2016. All right, the first thing I did was buy HIDs. They cost me 20 bucks, and these are the same HIDs that I had in the car since I bought it. So this is crazy, right? They lasted me 6 years, and they're still good, still powerful. I still see. And the second thing was, or the third thing, whatever, it was the fog lights. All right, I bought the fog lights. They were 30 bucks for both. All right, for both. And then I bought yellow wrap. All right, this is, I don't know what the hell, I don't know what this is, but I'm not gonna touch it. All right, I bought yellow wrap, and I wrapped this one, and I wrapped the other one. All right, now the bulb that's in there, that is a green bulb. All right, I don't know if you guys could tell. I mean, you guys could tell. No, it's blue. Sorry. I'm sorry. It's a blue bulb. But it looks green because yellow and blue makes green. All right. Honestly, that's not what I was going for when I bought this. All right, because before I had yellow bulbs, but then for some reason, um, the yellow bulbs it just did not look nice. So I was like, okay, cool. Let me buy some blue ones. And when I tried to take off the yellow wrap, I guess it just it just got burned on there. Just taking it off was a headache. I just left it on like that. I put the blue bulbs in and magically green. All right. So I wasn't trying to make green, but green happened. All right. So this is basically what I'm running. I know right now it looks, I mean, actually right now, if even though the sun's out, it still looks pretty good. It still looks pretty good. And this is a nice shot. All right. So very easy mod list. Literally 20 bucks for the HIDs. And then, well, so in total I spent what, like 50 bucks? Because those cost me, the bulbs itself cost me $11. The fog lights cost me 30. The wrap I think cost me like $5 bucks. So nothing too crazy. So what you would have to do, right, to change these, you need to take the bumper off. All right, and this bumper, it's real easy to come off. It's a screw. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a screw that's somewhere. It's somewhere back here. All right, literally a screw, and you gotta move this. You need to move this, and then you gotta unscrew this. And as soon as you unscrew them, it just pops right off. And then that's it. And then you have access to the light and to the fog lights, all right? The fog lights were really easy to install. It's just 2 bolts that's holding it in. And then, yeah, that's it. All right, hope you guys like this. Mod number 2, very simple, very easy. You need a friend, though. You need a friend to help you do this because I had one of my friends help me, and it was still pretty challenging because we had to find out, you know, where the wirings went for the fog lights. So you need a friend for this. It's not going to be easy. Just look up videos on how to install them. But that is my mod list number 2. All right, when I had bought this, I wasn't really like doing car YouTube videos, so I'm sorry I don't have a video on how to install it. But you know, now at least you know where they turn off because the car's not on. But now you guys know where I got them from and, you know, how I installed them basically. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. All right, guys. So this is it for the first 4 mods on the car. All right, you got the eyelids, you got the HID lights, you have the window visors, the intake, and the engine bay. All right, so those are the 4 that's gonna go up now. And now I know that, you know, I've been away from doing my car for a while, but that's because 2020 hit, right? And you guys know a lot of stuff happened in 2020. You know, COVID, a lot of people dying, a lot of people losing their jobs, just everything going downhill. And you know, for me too, like, you know, I was working for about 2 or 3 months, which should have gave me opportunity to work on the car, but it kind of, you know, everybody was depressed. Like, I was a little sad and depressed at the time, and I didn't want to, you know, upload any videos on the car channel or anything, like, or any type of videos really, because all I was doing was just waking up every day, working out, going outside to run, or sorry, I got dust in my mouth, or I would just you know, just be in a room playing a game with my friends, you know, my PS4 or PS5, whatever, you know, they have. But then, you know, this year hits, and what I kept doing was I was doing car stance videos. I think the middle of last year is when I started, or the ending of last year. I don't remember. I'm not too sure. But I started doing car stance videos because my car channel was like, a video haven't went up in almost like 4 or 5 months, and I was just like, holy shit, you know, like, this channel is gonna be the channel that, you know, gets me there. So I was like, I can't just not upload on this channel. You get it? So that's why I was like, okay, let me just go ahead and just do car stance videos like that. You know, it's still cars, and it's about cars that I like and they look nice. What I like about them, you know, what I don't like. Oh, it looks nice, it's low, you know, this and that. And I just kept up, the pace on that until the other day. I got a comment on one of the car stands videos that says, "Yo, upload videos about your car," and I was like, "Damn." I was hoping that no one would have asked about the Nissan, but someone did, and I was like, you know what? I did promise mod list videos about all the mods that I have on the car. So I went ahead and I started the first 4. I'm not too sure how many mods I have on the car, but we will see at the end of that mod list. I don't know, we'll see. So thank you guys so much for sticking around. We're almost at 500 subs. All right. The goal for this year is to at least hit 1,000 subs. So let's go ahead and let's hit it, guys. Thank you so much. Like, subscribe, comment. I love you all. Be safe out there. And just thank you for all the support on the car channel. We keep growing more and more every day. All right. These are gonna go up on the Facebook group. So make sure if you're not on the Facebook group, on the Nissan Facebook group, that's all right. And also the new cars coming up this year is the year March or April. One of those 2 months is when the new car is gonna be dropped on the channel. I'm excited for it. It's gonna have turbo built in. That's all you guys are gonna know. It's gonna be automatic. It's gonna be automatic. Sorry about that. It's gonna be automatic and it's gonna have turbo built in. That's all I'm giving you guys. If you guys can guess what it is, let me know in the comments down below, and I would say yes or no. All right. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. All right. Peace.